Dear council members, my wife and I own a home at 6534 Southwest Fleet Avenue. As homeowners and part-time residents of Lincoln City, this letter is presented in opposition of the 3 proposed ordinance changes. We object to and oppose draft ordinances 2014-21 VR zone, 2014-22 VRD amendments, 2014-23 VRD licensing ordinance amendments. Unfortunately, we cannot state at this time if we oppose the map changes, as the city has not furnished current example maps of the proposed VR zones. These maps should be on the table while the public is considering these ordinances and before the period for public comment is closed. Without the inclusion of the proposed maps in this public hearing and council deliberations, the public really has no way of knowing where the city is heading with these restrictions. Therefore, it is disingenuous to deliberate on and seek public comment on draft ordinance 2014-21 VR zone and say on your website that the public hearing will not concern map changes. On the city website, it states the Lincoln City Council has scheduled an additional public hearing and opportunity for written comment on proposed legislative amendments regarding vacation rental dwellings. This hearing concerns only the text of the 3 proposed ordinances and does not concern map changes. On August 25, 2014, the city also reopened the public record to receive written comment on the draft ordinances. The record will be closed following the public hearing. This public hearing is not required. However, the city opted to provide a final opportunity for comment. Clearly, the city attorney is giving bad advice to the mayor and city council. As the entire city strategy has changed a few times, what is being considered now doesn't resemble what was originally discussed in May of 2014. And now most recently, as the proposed ordinances are continually edited and new drafts are posted on the city website. I've been downloading drafts to review and discuss with our attorney, and it has been evident that these drafts are being changed and edited frequently. This makes it very difficult to decipher what exactly a final set of ordinances will look like. It is only equitable that property owners and concerned citizens or individuals have the right to reasonable time for review and comment as additional updates to these proposed ordinances are published. When will the constant changes and modifications to these ordinances stop? Unfortunately, the most recent version of these drafts seems to have just been posted on the city website on September 12th for public review. It is not reasonable to expect concerned property owners, other interested parties, and their attorneys to be able to fully review and respond to a 69-page PDF of these newly revised proposed ordinance changes in 3 to 4 days. Our attorney has not been given sufficient time to do a legal review of the revised proposal and advise us on how to respond. Again, the city website states that the record will be closed following the public hearing, but as this is a legislative matter and not a quasi-judicial matter, there is no reason to rush to close the record on these hearings. There is no specific timeline for consideration of these ordinance changes. I'm almost finished. What is the harm of keeping the record open? Additionally, on the PDF provided by the city for proposed ordinance 2014-21, there are 2 references on page 1 and page 8 to an attached Exhibit A. Page 1, line 14A states, the council finds comprehensive plan goals as addressed in the detail findings attached as Exhibit A. And then it says it again on Section 8, page 8, Section 5, together with findings of Exhibit A. The exhibit is missing in the draft ordinances that are posted on the website on the PDF that have been published. How can the public record be closed if not all the information has been provided to the public? This attachment is repeatedly cited for support and findings for this proposed legislative action. Every time the ordinances are modified, it causes more confusion to the public. Given the gravity of the effect of these proposed ordinance changes on the property values, the local economy, etc., it is only fair and equitable that the public is given sufficient time to review, consult, and respond. Not allowing adequate time for public comment only increases the likelihood of legal challenges. Therefore, we strongly urge that the City Council leave the record open for additional written comments until at least October 15th, 2014. Respectfully submitted, signed under my name, carbon copy to B. Rupert Kolbergard, Attorney at Law, Portland, Oregon. Carbon copy to Dave Honeycutt, Oregonians in Action, Portland, Oregon. Thank you.